Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share 4 easy messy buns with you. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're looking for 1 or 2 elastic bands, some bobby pins, and 1 hair clip. Okay, so hairstyle number 1. For this hairstyle, you only need 2 hair ties and some bobby pins. If your hair is short, you can take only 1 hair tie. Make a ponytail, which I already did off camera. You can go a little higher or lower, it's your choice. Grab another hair tie. Put your hair through all the way like how you usually make your ponytail. And then twist it. Pull your hair halfway through and then stop right here. I'm going to have this part out a little bit. And then start pinning your hair. Just play around and see wherever you like and start pinning them. And this hair at the back, I'm going to tuck it into my ponytail. Okay, I'm not done yet. This side still needs to be fixed. And all the short hair at the back, you can secure them with the bobby pins. Here I'm gonna push my hair forward a little bit to give some volume. And I'm gonna pull some couple piece out. And there you go, you're done. And this is how it looks. Alright, now moving on to the second style, you need 2 hair bands and some bobby pins. You can use only 1 hair tie if your hair is short. Make a ponytail and grab another hairband and put it here through all the way. Twist it. Pull your hair and stop right here. So now I'm going to twist my hairband one more time. I'm going to pull another section of my hair. And then I'm going to stop right here. I'm gonna leave some hair out, not pulling them all the way. I know it looks funny, but I'm not done yet. So now I'm going to adjust my bun with the bobby pins. You can play around with your hair and start pinning them the way you like. These hairs are sticking out and I'm gonna leave them like this because I want my bun look a little messy. And all the short hair at the back, you can secure them with the bobby pins. If you want, you can push your hair a little forward. And there you go, you're done. So here is the finished look. Now moving on to bun number 3. For this one you only need a hair clip. Once you have all the hair secured in your hand, all you can do is twist your hair and wrap it around. Twist and wrap. And then grab a hair clip and secure it where your hair ends, and you're done. And here is the finished look. Alright, moving on to the fourth and last style. You only need a one hair tie. All you can do is, once you have all the hair secured in your hand, twist your hair and wrap it around. Twist and wrap. I'm going to secure my bun with a hairband like this, and I'm gonna pull and fix it around. And then I'll start pinning my bun. And if you like, you can push your hair a little forward. And you're done. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed 4 different messy buns hairstyles. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.